In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the top 5 side hustles that you can start doing today. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but 2 full-time jobs. And I'm here creating content based on my experience. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you why I personally consider the top 5 side hustles that you can start doing right now. And if you're looking, to earn some extra money or in the future, at the end of the day, it's going to be depend up to you if you want to replace your full-time jobs. But I know this is actually based on my experience that at the beginning, we just need some extra cash. So what's the very first side hustle on my top 5 list? Well, it's to sell templates on Etsy. Literally nowadays you can join and you can go to canva.com and you can create templates. This can be, for example, logo designs, this can be certificates, resumes, website, flyers, brochures, invitations. You can even do videos. And the cool thing about Canva is the fact that you can start using templates. So you don't have to start from scratch and you don't need to be a designer in order to do something that is actually good looking. For example, you can use a design as a base. For example, this organizer here, and you can actually modify it, but you're gonna notice that you have other information here, other planners, calendars. You can actually go and let's say that you're gonna customize some certificates, and you're gonna have more templates that you can do. The cool thing with Canva, it's that it's also gonna give you other resources that you can actually use as well. And if you go to Etsy, you're gonna notice that you can actually offer different templates. For example, we have here this one for graduation. We have this one that is like a posture, baseball posture. We have this one that is actually a template. We have this one that is like a magazine for someone's birthday. So literally you can actually offer that here. For example, we have the first birthday invitation. You can have wedding invitations. That's actually a great niche, and it's people are always looking for that. And you can offer that here on Canva. With a little imagination, a tweak here and there, definitely this is something that you can do. If you have some knowledge, you can also go and sell a course. And if you're like me, you might be like, wow, selling a course, that must be something super big. And that was my mistake. I thought that as well, but actually you can offer a course that is going to be solving one and just one problem. Just one problem, one solution. One problem, one solution. And do not overthink about this, because that's the other thing. Like sometimes we do something that is second nature to us, but for other people that's impressive. Just think a little bit like what people are usually asking you about. Okay, what they're asking you about. And you can actually do a mini course about that. Just one problem, one solution. And nowadays you can record it even with your cell phone. So do not overthink it. And where you can offer it, well, you can actually offer it on sites such as Udemy. You can go to udemy.com. They're going to take care of everything on the sales page, how to do the marketing and all the stuff. And you can actually put your course here. The the thing that I don't like, and this is me personally speaking, is that sometimes they do have things on sale. And if they have the website on sale, you are going to be part of it, even if you don't want it. Okay, for example, this one, the price is 54.99, but the sale is 10.99 because right now they have like a summer sale. So, that's the downside of this, but you can actually host it on your own thing. For example, you can go to System.io, let me put this in English, and you can actually create a free account. I'm actually going to give you a link. This is going to be in the description of this video, and it's forever free. The only thing that you need to type is your email address, and you can actually host your course here. If we go to the pricing, you're going to see that you're going to go with the one that says free. It's a free plan, no free trial, okay? Free plan. You can have up to 2,000 contacts. You can have up to 3 funnels. You can actually have a calendar. It's people want to book a call with you. Maybe you want to sell some, like advisors here and there, one-on-one calls. And the cool thing is that you can actually integrate it with your favorite payment method. So you can actually go with this way. Remember that I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually create your System.io free account. Another thing is that actually you can be a freelancer. Maybe there is something that you like, but you don't want to teach it. Maybe you enjoy doing it. So you can actually offer this as a service, offer your expertise on websites such as Fiverr.com, and do not overlook Fiverr like, well, it's just $5. At the beginning, it was everything about $5, but now it's not like that. You can literally offer anything and everything that you can imagine here on Fiverr. Okay, so this is a great place. And for example, I'm going to show you this. I did like a quick search about Instagram services. Okay, I was like, okay, I'm interested about Instagram services. And as you can see, this guy, the starting price, it's almost $2,000. And 38 people already took it. People who leave a review, that's not the total of people who make the purchase. But I'm showing you because there are tons of possibilities. Okay, so if we go here, let's say 38 times 1950, okay, $74,000 from Fiverr. Of course, there are some fees and all the stuff, but look at this guy. 1,000 people plus leave a review with a product that starts from $295. So it can be all the way up. So I'm showing you these because there is a lot of opportunities. Here we have $25. Here we have almost 4,000. Here we have 320. So this kind of the limits, and at the end of the day, it's going to depend up to you, up to your expertise. But if you don't give it a try, if you don't, give yourself the opportunity, the results are not going to come. Also, you can go to a website such as Upwork, and you can also offer your service as well there. On Upwork, people are, putting listing some projects like per hour or per project. So you can actually choose this. And if you have a full-time job, this is something that you can actually do as a part-time opportunity. You can also be a content creator. Nowadays, people, are online 24/7. Right now, you might be on my YouTube channel and you are going to notice that I have been posting videos pretty consistently. And I do have an Instagram account. I also have a TikTok account. I used to have a blog. I don't have a blog anymore, but I do have Pinterest and other thing. And every single social network have their own way to monetize it. Take, for example, TikTok, Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. You can actually get paid, by the ads that this network displays. So this is actually a great way if you enjoy creating content. It doesn't need to be perfect. And this is a skill that you can actually learn. Okay. So if this is something that you can actually give it a try, remember that nowadays people are consuming a lot of content. My favorite one is what is called affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, we are recommending other people products and services in exchange for the commission. So we don't deal with customer service, payment processor. You can go to marketplaces such as ClickBank that has been around for quite some time right now. And you can choose a physical product, a digital product, and you can actually recommend it. You can also go to Google and you're going to type the name of your favorite brand plus affiliate program. And chances are that it's already there. It's already have an affiliate program. It's because like more than 90% of the companies do have an affiliate program. And if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. The cool thing about this is the fact that you can actually combine what I showed you here, because you can be a content creator and you can do affiliate marketing. You can also sell your own course. Or you can offer your service as a freelancer. You can also sell templates on Etsy, and you can tell people, like, if you have a course, you can actually offer the course or offer the service. Let's say that you are going to be like, hey, I just have this as a template, but if you want something that is 100% customized just for you can offer your service as a freelancer. So as you can see, you can combine them. So this is actually really powerful. But well, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.